Good morning, January 14th, 2025.
Good morning, January 14th, 2025.
Oh, an echo. Tab, new window. Alrighty then. Just getting things set up. We had PPI this morning. Came in soft. 0.2 versus expected 0.8 or 0.4. Alright. I think I'm set up. Morning, Kofer. Good morning. Let's see. Get rid of that. I think 5,900 here on ES, pretty important level. That's what the Elliott Wave guys are saying. Let's see what they do with it. Or they just blast on up. Let's see. Start with the hour chart. Oof. All right, what do we have this morning? Well, we didn't quite get a double top up there on that PPI push up. We do have this gap here, which was filled last night, and then we slowly just moved on up. So I'm guessing the next target, if we continue up, will be 21,180 and then on up. We do have a sell gap here at 21,173, 4-hour sell gap. That's been touched one time, so pretty good chance that we at least come to the top here at 21,232. So 232 and another 150 points. 232. Okay, how about 100 and something points? That would be 2180. So 50. Well, 150. So I guess I could just do this too. Say, oh, what's that? 100 points there. And to the top there is 159. All right. So it'll be somewhere in there. You do have the, yeah, I don't even know what to call that. I need to mark that. I'll figure it out. But it's just crazy. Ooh, that one's bright. Better tone that down a little bit. Tone it down. I don't even know what those other ones are. Chartreuse? No. Still have 10 minutes to go. I'll just go yellow, that green. That's fine for right now. All right, so we do have the bear zone. We've went through it once, went through it twice. I'm sure we're going to go through it again. Starts at 21,086.5 up to 21,133. So push it on up. Get on up to bear's last stand at 21,181, which is also down there at that 4-hour fair value gap. I'll show you where I'm a little worried about today. So I don't know what I'm going to do yet. Forget the fibs. If I look at the 5 minute, I got this in a big old box, right? Unfortunately. I don't know if I want to do that yet. But that worries me is that it'd be tough to take a trade till we get outside that box. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do about it yet. If I just go to like here, maybe I can rationalize something here. Either way I look at it, this box is big, right? So I could just do this and say, well, here's the box we're in. But that's an awfully big box. So I think what I'd rather do is, here's the bounce. Here's the bounce down. See, it's a little more palatable. Probably still, what's that? 24 to 38, so 114 points. And hopefully we'll get another little system in here that I can reduce my box size down. So I'm not even going to play my pre-2 minute. Oop. Everything's pointing to the up and up. Yeah, maybe I'll play that one. How about that? Micro. Yep, I'll play that. I'll play the pre-high. Just for fun. The 18 system is long. Took a long right here. 63. Yep. Two minutes getting ready to cross through VWAP. Or not, sorry, that's the 30, that's the 21 EMA. On the 2 minute. You can see this morning that this 21 held pretty nicely. I think I might even like a 23 or 26. I think I used 26 the other day and it looked pretty good. Let's see. Yeah. See how this 26 EMA looks? It just looks better. Right? Holds a lot better. Yep. Yes, sorry. Morning, why? Dude, I cannot pronounce that name. Could you like phonetically spell it out like Ryu? No. Yeah. See, I couldn't even, my tongue doesn't roll, so I can't even like say it. It's very difficult. All right, so I don't have much today, man. I mean, I think we're long. I think we're going up. You know, if you look at the daily charts, you see the reversal. It looks like we're gonna feed off that reversal, off yesterday's bottom. Actually, that was this morning. When was that? Yeah, that was yesterday's morning. So, right where we had a support, we did not get to my area that I wanted to get to, which was down here at 20,524. I think we have to get down there. I don't know. Something just tells me we got to get down there. So am I buying this move up? Well, I mean, I'm going to buy it as far as I'll play it today, but I don't know if I'm buying it. I think tomorrow or sometime this week we may go down there. I don't know. Just saying. You never know. Michael, good morning. Hopefully TraderBait is running this morning. Got my coffee warmer going. Oh, nice. Might actually get a trade in today. Morning, Baldy. So yeah, so here's what we've done so far. I played a little bit of this morning. I didn't like the fact that we stopped down here and we didn't hit the 61.8. So I would not be surprised if we come back down. I don't know. If we get too much further up, then no, we're not going to do that. Uh-oh, there's the 2. Let me get rid of this. We got 2-minute warning, baby. See, that's another good thing about these lines is it does give me a nice little 2-minute warning. Here, I'm going to delete, or let's say stop that. So my alarm doesn't go off. I don't have to mess with it. Playing micros. Just the one. I probably will just take the one trade and then I'll remove the strategy. So let's see. What else? Am I going to play anything else in there? Nope. Just the one micro. One account. One PA account on micros. That's it. I got about 50 seconds. What do you guys' thoughts? Anybody got anything good? I know it's hard to type real quick, but any predictions? Up or down? That's easy to spell. Up or down? Real quick. Bam. Anybody? Up or down? Up, down, or sideways? Come on. Come on, I have my latency so that 1001, 1002, 1003. A lot of it so you guys can get input live while it still means something. Nobody? Michael, come on. Up, down, or... Oh, there we go. All right, here we go. Oh. We're in. We're in, Bubba. We're in. $300. Too bad I couldn't have captured that. Come on, baby. Get down there and get 25 points. Just got to let it go. Come on. I'm going to bring him down to the 61.8. Let's see if we can get it. Oh, what happens if I put this up here? Yeah, there we go. Come on. All right, I'm going to move my stop up. Down, I mean. Probably going to get stopped out. That's what that means. Yep. Damn you. let's go. We're right at the 1 minute weighted right now. I don't know if I can stay in the trade, but oh. All right, let me get rid of that. Oh, that's as far as I wanted to go. There we go. Got taken out. All right, good trade. Came down to 618. All right, that was a good one. All right. Okay, let me just throw a little line right here just in case. We come down a little further. Control copy. And one more down here. There we go. Let's see if we come down. If we do, I'll shoot for 21,002. Get 20 points. Let's see, what do I see here in the 5 minute? Okay. Could do this and say, you know, let's do this. Let's just reduce that size of that box down a little bit. Cut it in half. I just had to set it at my default there. There we go. All right. So now at least I have an opportunity to go long if we get up here. And I'll buy the market. That's where I think we're going to go anyway. Potentially is up. So let's see. We took out the London low, which would have been a good long. And we've already taken out the high. So let's see where we're going to go from here. Oh no, I'm sorry. We did not take out the high. Where's the high? Way up there, huh? I actually have to look on my YouTube because I can't even see it on my chart. Alright, so somewhere right in there will be the London high. Alright, 140 bow. So let's see if we can get a move up. Let's see. Come on, baby, let's go. Kick it on up there. Give me 94. 94, 95, come on, 96, 97. I'll be right back. All right, taken out. I still like that play. I'm still going to take it. $144. I got one off. Oh, got some refreshing coffee. Come on, baby, you can do it. Show me how it's done. Come on. Oh. There we go. It's going to be a fight. You can do it, though. We're above the box. So I actually want to be just a little below the box. There we go. Okay, Baldy, possibly down. Inflation news comes out today. Good morning, Raven. Bahamas. Did you just jump in for fun? No, jumping in for seriousness. Well, I guess if I was serious, I'd be in the minis, but I'm trying to follow a pattern. There's 700. Come on now. Let's go. See if we can get up to 144. 144 is the London highs, right? I think it is. Pretty close. Well, it's right there. Right? 143. Oh, got taken out. Son of a gun. Didn't like that candle. Whew. Not sure what that was. That was a kibosh. Oh, and I couldn't get back in. Tried. Yeah, look at that wick, man. That's just crazy stuff. Somebody just threw the hammer down. Still looking for that 144, 143, 141, somewhere in there. Okay, I got to be careful here. Wow, you sucker. I did not like that big old wick. Now, the game plan, you're looking for 35 to short. All right, remember, we're up 157. All my little indicators saying we're long. It came down to the 5-minute. I don't know if it'll come back down there. I'm hoping it will. I'll jump in, let's see, 5 minutes at 83. It's the top of the box here. I'll buy one there. I would like to buy another one. Maybe it felt a little pity on me and said, yeah, that wick was uncalled for here. Come back in. Come back in. 35. I like the 35. I mean, 34 is the top of the bear zone. Let's go into protect mode a little bit. How much time I got left? 9 minutes? Or 9 seconds? Come on. There we go. Going to a little protect mode here at 06. You know, honestly, we could just keep on going. I'll go for the Bears last stand up there at 75. But we got to get through 34. I know you're looking for 35, but we got to 30 there. 43, I'll be real careful at. I'll move the stop up quite a bit. See, we're just in a bear zone, right? So we're going to get a lot of up and down. Damn it, giving all that profit away. Sucker fish. Okay, we came back down here again. I'll be a little cautious about buying this one. Here, I'll take that right there. Remember, we got buyers. We still have buyers. So everything's pointed up. Oh, we got the 15 minutes still down. About to dip every time. I just haven't been able to capitalize any big moves. All right, 5 minutes showing a little reversal right there. But I'm not buying that. Or selling that, I should say. Came down to the bottom. Let's try it one more time. Nope. Oh, come on, move up. Damn you. All right. Yeah, it's still a buy. Let's try one more time. I'll give it a little more room this time. In fact, I'll buy 2, and I'll take one off at 10. If it'll get there. That'll be the question. Nope. All right. Guess we're going down. You weren't off by much. You said 35. You got to 30. I don't know if you took it or not. But we're in a whole new ball game now. Potentially. If we get down below and hold below this 1 minute weighted and VWAP. Nice. All right, where's let me get my little ES. Okay, we're 58.95 on ES, so I'm trying to keep an eye on that for the 5900. It can go up there 59.10, something like that. I don't know what it actually did today. Let me look. Oh, I actually have it right here. Yeah, you can see my my other computer's ramping up. Too much volume, can't handle it. Well, I'd like to think we're going to come out here to the bottom. Just don't know. The 1 minute weighted is moving up, which isn't everything, especially here in the morning. Came down to yesterday's high and bounced at 21,037. Yesterday's high 964. I don't know what the hell that is. Huh. Nice, Ravine. Good. Now we're back up below VWAP, back below the 1 minute weighted. Oh, you sucker fish. That wasn't very nice. Alright, time to sit on my hands for a few. I still like the short. Let's see what 2 minutes doing. Can I glean anything from that? Not much. All right, the ATR is 25, so man, you got to be just, it's got to be right. Now you got to have a really big stop. That was a good short. I had the direction, just didn't have the wherewithal to hold on. That ain't gonna hold. That will not hold. Alright, guess that held. Dropping below 2100. Come on, let's get back up to 18. I'd like to take it short at 18. 18 or even 31 would be better. Wow. See if that holds. I don't know if it will. Nope. Okay, come on, 31. Get up there. Okay, took one off. Just going to reduce my stop there. Come on, baby, get on down. Nope. So 5 minute. Got 2.5 minutes left. 15's 2.5 minutes left. So just got to be a little careful here. See if we can get a flush down. Another, just a little mini flush would be good. Okay, I'll split the difference. Give me 8. 400. Good. I'll lock that in. I'll take another one down here if we get there. I'd like to see them move up, see if we can get back up to 102 or 100, somewhere in there. Really don't want to short here. Damn it. I really didn't want that. Come on now. Oh, wanted to get out with dignity, and I did not. All right, come on. Let's go up to 103. That's where I want to be, right there. We're not going to. We're just going to keep on coming down. See if we take out the lows from this morning. 835. So 943, somewhere around 943, 949. We'll get a new candle here first. New 15 minute, new 5. You can see the delta is still positive. All right, now come on, let's move up a little bit. Well, unfortunately, the 5 minutes not so high. I got a 1 minute gap up here I'd like to get. That's where I want to get in at. Looks something like that. But we could just continue on coming down. So I would take a new short down here at 965. That'll be a 15 minute. I can get a nice breakdown. Hopefully we can get down to 950 and I'll take profit there. I'll take 15 points. Come on, get back up. You can do it. Come on. What's that? 18. That's 15 points. What I'm worried about is if trying to close this gap or this gap, 38. That's pretty high up there. Means I'd have to take a stop there. So what I may do instead, I'll lock this guy out and I'll get it on the way back down. Got up to about 94, 95. There we go. Keep going. Come on. Fill that gap. Get that 1 minute gap. Oh, come on. It's trying. It's a trying. Come on. 103. That's all you got to do. There we go. Yeah, that's what I was worried about. Something like that. If I go to the 15, don't really know if I want this now. Okay, good choice. Good choice. All right, got to watch for the long above 30. 15's got a long ways to go. Okay. All right, that was that. We double topped there. I'll take it if we get below 11. And then I got to be ready to defend. Meaning drop my stop. Still up 71 points, 70 points. So we're still got some buyers. We are now, nope, not yet. They haven't got up to that 26 yet. All right. Damn it. That's probably why I didn't want to do that. I kind of wanted him out of the way. Damn you. All right, but I'm going to put him back in there in case he comes back. Be right back. Guess it'd be better if I had my mic on. You guys could hear me. We went up to VWAP and the 1 minute weighted. And they're kind of blocking. They're saying nobody gets by here. Well, I'm going to just go down like this and say either you're going to work or you're not. Okay, you're not. What do we got here? EMA. Oh, there we go. Blasted on through that with a little bit of power. Damn it. Just couldn't pull the trigger. I wanted a 1 minute above to close. Got 34 seconds left, so I'll just hold on. Not able to take out the morning's low, the 830 low. All right, we're at 61.8 now. Okay. Missed that SPY. Darn it. Wow, that looks like a long on the IWM. Well, let's see if we get back below the 1 minute. Other than that, it looks like we're back in the business of going long. So we got 80 and 94. The indicators are lining up red. Retest in IWM. Retest in VWAP. That was a nice little move up, that's for sure. Just an ugly 15-minute, two ugly 15-minute candles. Look at that shit. That's just crazy, man. Crazy. Well, straight down, straight up. There we go, 78.6 hit at 94. back into the bear zone. Let's see, what's the stop right now? 86. So if I play it long, I could take a stop at 86. Let's see if we can blast out here. I don't know if we can. I don't know if I can hang with it. Come on, give me 200 so I can at least lock in 100. All right, I'm going to lock in at 98. Let's see if we can stay above 100. Maybe not yet. Nope. I think it's there, though. We are fooling around there. Oh, you saw it, bitch. Look at that. Ooh. So quick. That's just garbage. That's what that is. Ooh, that one hurt me. Give me some crappy fills. All right, potential short here. I'll wait for 40 seconds. That one hurt. I'm going to wait on this 5-minute candle to close. Back to where we started. Oh. Come on, baby, let's go. Let's get to that 41 and then, or 38, and then 43. Yeah, I like 43. 38. So we got to get through 28, then get through 38, then get through 43. I don't know. Got some 1 minute gaps. They're going to take me out. All right. Buy now. Buy when you're not in a, or buy while you're inside a gap. How's that? Here we go. Come on now. At least my stop will be a hell of a lot smaller. $73, $83. Morning, Jason. Gonna stop me here too. You piece of crap. Doesn't like that bear zone. They're gonna wait to wear us out, and then they'll push it up through there. All right, let's go back to basics. Remove. Yeah, that was the long down there. You should have went back in. Five-minute gap there. Potential reversal candle. Still got a long time on the 15. All right, down in that 5-minute gap. picked up some SPY puts. It might be short-lived though, so I might just stop right out. Yep. It's good practice. All right, what are we going to do here? Got my 3 reds in a row. I like that. I got the green signals down below. See if we can come down and take out this 5-minute gap. We're below the 1 minute, below VWAP. I did get a 1 minute close. So what does a 15 look like? Yeah, that's the problem right there. I got no signals though. That's the problem. I got nothing. I rely on the 15 quite a bit. And when it looks like that, there's not much I can do. There's not a lot for me to do. Could do something like this though. All right, we got below that little trend line. Got below the 5-minute gap. Okay, 21,009. I need this candle to close first. Yep. I'll just stay right there. Come on, baby, do me right. No, maybe not. All right, so the top there is 32. We got to 28 within 4. That's within the guidelines, at least my guidelines. Probably could have been up there waiting. Probably would have been a pretty decent play. Yep, would have got 10 off. So I'm still kind of on the wrong side of the track. Got to get on the right side. We drop down below. That's a 15-minute previous candle. There's some potential there. So 5-minute, did we get up there? Let's go. Nope. This was the previous 5-minute gap right here, which we already come through. I'll delete it, but usually a lot of times they'll hold as support, as Michael's pointed out to me numerous times. Come on, baby. Be nice to me. Ah, you fucker. Nope. I still like the trade. Just didn't like. Let's get it up there a little bit higher. Come on. Come on. See if that'll get me anything. See if we can take out the lows. Alright, took one off at 10. That's a good sign. Come on, baby. I don't know what that... Oh, that's a green line. Alright, there's some support there. Yeah, not much. Might have been the wrong spot. I might like it down here better. Come on, baby, get back down there. 93. All right, blazing back up. All right, I like 09 again. 7, come on, a little bit higher. Yeah, that baby's ramping up, man. I can't do anything about it other than turn it off. All right, I'm just gonna bam. I need it for my SPY. I got a SPY. I still have my SPY puts working. I just need it for a little bit longer. I can feel the heat over here on the fan. Who needs a heater? All right, there we go. I got the 582 SPY put, so if they get to $1.75, it'll take me out. They're at $1.25 right now, so I got a little bit ways to go. All right, I'm gonna try to. Ah, come on, baby, get on down there. I'm gonna lock in some of that, but we're only at $9.99, 21,000. Come on. Oh, what happened to my other accounts? They're not on here? Oh, well, that's not fun. Nope, PA never got in there involved, did it? All right, tried to cancel, but it won't even let me cancel. Well, something going on with my PA account. It won't take the order. That's weird. All right, I turned that computer, that trading view off that computer. I don't need it anymore. Look at that crap. Trying to move it out of the way, damn it. Come on, keep going. Don't let that support it do anything to you. Come on. All right. Dang you. Okay, doesn't say I have any orders, so it's canceled. Just not removing. All right. I don't know. That was a pretty good short, I think, wasn't it? Still got my SPY short. Okay, so IB low right here, right now. It's not really moving the way I like to see it move, but it's there. Oh, I didn't want two of those, damn you. Just wanted the one. All right, come down to 950. Let's go. Give me 950. That's the top of the CPR. That'd be a good one. Let's go, baby. 950. Here we go. Come on. Let's get 950. 950. A little more. Oh, so close. Yet so far. Just in case we bounce up. All right, that'll work. All right. That wealth chart gave a nice little signal. It looks like. Oh, I'm frozen. Maybe that's why I gave a nice signal. All right, came back up and retested this guy here. That support area, which should be now resistance. Oh, better take my profit there. Damn it. I'll just put a stop in, which means they're just going to take me out. Come on, SPY, get back down there. All right. First trade of the day, SPY 583 calls. All right, good play. I think you might be right. I got to wait for this 15-minute candle here to close. Let's see what the fives look like. Okay, getting close. We get above 07 there. That potentially could indicate the long. We just came down, hit CPR, and bounced. We'll see if that's a big bounce or a little bounce. Still up 50 points. ES is at 58.90, just kind of hanging out. You know, if we do something like, well, kind of like that. This one's just too steep. I can't acknowledge that. But you take above 21,007 and might give you a pretty good long signal. 15-minute says, well, we're just going to hang out here. Now my computer stopped working, or not stopped working, but my fan on my other computer came to a stop. And right now I don't even know if I could launch, because it's real particular. It won't even relaunch TradingView. Oh, it is going to launch it. Now listen for the fan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 charts on TradingView. Listen, here it comes. It's ramping. All right. All right, there's the 07. Getting above 07. I'm gonna be calling it. Calling this buy long. I used to think you lived in a hotel. Oh, that's funny. Well, there you go. Look at that. Turn my thing on and that computer just starts to ramp up, man. And I really only use it for options. That's it. Funny thing is, if I had more windows, I would put TradingView on this computer that I operate from, this computer, because it's got more than enough. I mean, the i9, I think CPU is only running like at 25% right now, even with all the stuff I got. I mean, I've got wealth charts. I got obviously YouTube, Discords, Streamlabs, obviously, Ninja, and I think I'm still only like at 20%. All right, kind of got to watch that. Let's see what the 2 minute looks like. What's the 3 minutes? In a short. Yep, holding the short. We just came up to the 8, which is a good short place to re-enter. Just dropped the previous wick on the 2 minute. That means nothing. Going back down. Yeah, tough day. So that baby would have came down like that. You know, we're below 21,000 again. It could be that we just come on back down. Well, this is what I always have to check. Right? See what happens here. It's always funny, you know, you put on the fibs, man, we come down to 61.8 and we get a reaction almost every time. Right now, wealth charts is saying short at 21.041. That's what his short was. But it hasn't been too accurate the last 30 minutes, it looks like. There you go. It came down to 61.8 and bounced on up. Close this gap here, the 1 minute. Close enough. Right up to 97.03. I might take a short right here and reduce my stop down to, well, I'll just keep reducing it right now. I'll lock in 10. Whoa, what timing was that, huh? I'll take 10, 15. What am I getting? 90 or 86 from 97.11. Come on, give me a little bit more. Come on. Let's go. Get back down to 74. Oh, it's trying. It wants to. Come on. Give me 74 again. Come on. There we go. A little more. I'll drop my stop right there. Come on. 74. That's far enough. Come on. Come on back down. Come on, a little further. Keep going. Let's go. Below 71. Below 70. There we go. Oh, a little further. Trying to drop it at 74, 75, but I need like 65 to do that. All right, I'll go to 70. What'd I get to? 69. There we go. There we go. I'll just keep walking her down. Come on, baby. Oh, got to give her a little bit of room now. Let's see, what am I? I'm at 580. Oh, yeah, 800. Oh, move this guy out of the way. Come on. There we go. Oh, just lock that in right there. All right. That was a nice little play. Good timing. Or good luck. One of the two. Yeah, thanks for the confetti. Yeah, drop some confetti. Woohoo. Hundreds. Let's get some hundreds going. There we go. Sometimes I go into the other chat rooms and I just start bombarding them with confetti and hundreds. So if you're ever in a chat room and somebody keeps throwing out confetti or whatever, then you know, man, that might be John. Oh. Look at that spy. Dang you. Bam. Alright, I want to get a 100-pointer. It's been a long time. Well, it hasn't been that long, but it's been a little while. I've done it on the stream a couple times. It's time for me to get a 100-pointer. Yeah? Let's see if we can get one. Alright, we went back into CPR and bounced again. Alright, not a big fan of this bounce. $15-minute. Yeah, it's just playing some games. Anything great on the hour chart? Oh yeah, hour chart's looking good. Uh-oh, hold on, I gotta get this chart. Oh, gotta get it out of the way. I'm in. I just didn't, almost missed it. Well, almost got taken out from the, right here. How many points was that? 53, yeah. Wouldn't have got it though. Alright, I don't know if we're gonna go at 100 points. That's the problem. Let's see, 962, so that means I got to get 862. Let's see if we have even a possibility. I'll tell you what, I'm going to shoot for 864. 868, I'm sorry. I'll be 4 points off. Well, no, that's, yeah, I'll be 4 points off. Can we get there? That's the question. I need a bigger chart to tell me that. Oh yeah, we can get, well, here's the problem right here. I might get taken out here, so it might be a mute. Yep. Here's the problem. Problem is this guy right here. Actually right there. Yep. That will be the problem area. Meaning we can bounce once we get down here. Which this line here would probably be the biggest one, 926. That's on the 15. Let's see what the 5 looks like. So 926, yeah, baby. That might be the problem. But I'll give it a shot. Let's see if we can do it. Are we going to go down? That's the next question. We bounce now? That's what you're saying? Yeah, good possibility. Well, you can see, look at these bounces. So here's, oh, maybe not. All right, here we go. So first time we came down and hit this, we had PPI data, right? And we went pretty high. We went like 187 points. Second time we hit, well, we didn't get so big. We only got 71. This time we went a little bit further, but we went a little bit lower so far. So what do we got? 180, probably half, probably half. Well, let's try a short. I only want one. All right. So now I'm going to try for the 100 pointer. What's that number? 66. Well, best I'm going to be able to do, I think, is right there. To top that off, all right, so I'm going to get rid of this stuff now. Now what I got to watch out for is right here. 926 and then the pivot, which is 907, right? Yep. Ruh-roh. Come on, baby. Let's go. Hyper. I think we can draw a box now and play some range. Alright, let's go to the 5 minutes and let's look to see where our box would be. Kind of difficult because we had this big push up, right? But my first box would have to be something like this. Right? So I don't know if it works out. Because the first box, I don't know. Could I do that? I don't know. It gets a little confusing because it's not cut and dry. Right? There's definitely a box right there. So what did I know? I took that short right on that box. That's because I got a box down below, just to be honest. So, all right, let me kind of just reduce my risk there a little bit, even though it's just a evaluation. I don't care. All right, so we could say there's a box. So now what we're doing is building our next box. But one could have also said, well, I like this box right here. Because, right, we came down and we went up. So we got another box right there. But since that box interferes with this box, I can't put that box with that box. Oh, there's so many jokes I could have come out with that one. I'll just let those just leave my head. All right, so There's that. All right, so what's that number, Jason? Come on now. Weekly VWAP, where? What number? Where at? Give me a number. All right, so I'm trying for this, even though there's really no rhyme or reason other than I wanted 100 points. I'm going to try to get 97. But I know I got to watch this bounce here at 926, and I got to watch for a bounce here at 907. So I do like this box here. But 907. Okay. At 907. All right, that's actually our pivot. So there you go. Preparing for a bounce longs. Okay. So we got some people ready for a bounce. I'm like, well, if we're going to bounce, we're either going to bounce here at 927 or we're going to bounce here at 907 or the top right here at 899. So I got to be conscious of that too. Personally, if I wasn't going to try for anything, I would be right here. This is where my target would be. But since I called it out and said I wanted 100 points, I'm going to try to get as much as I can. Just, why not? It's an eval. Who cares? Right? 96 points. That's the best I'm probably going to do. Now, if we get down there, I'll move it to 100. Just to see if I get its little overplay. But we're going to be in the bull zone. So, not a good chance. What do I need? 66.50? Why couldn't I have gotten it up just a little bit higher? Oh, I'm going to try it. 96.50 right there. All right. So, like I said, we got to watch for a bounce here. So, I'm going to come on down a little bit. And say, well, I got to protect some, right? I can't give it all back. All right. And I'm just going to let it go now. Holy smokies, those puts are $1.95. Woohoo. No wonder my palms are itching. Oh, missed that one. Missed the cues. All right. So we're watching for that bounce right there. If not, you got to watch for the bounce here. If not, got to watch for a bounce here. It's just dangerous, right? It's just dangerous. Oh, Hyper, don't be deleting your text. Come on. Now. Oh, I can say... nope, I can't do it. I was going to see if I could see your text, but I can't. All right, top chat. How about all live chat? There we go. Doesn't matter. Oh yeah, it does. All right. All right, we're halfway there. Got to watch for the bounce now. This is where the serious bounce could be. All right, so I'm going to bring this guy right on here. There we go. Oh. I hear you. Come on, baby. Get into that bull zone. Now, what I'm asking it to do is go through 3/4 of the bull zone, which is usually not very wise. Come on, baby. Give it to me. All right, I'll drop her down a little bit further. All right, so from right there, let's see, this is up 1,400. I'm at 2,000, right about there. 2,000. That'll give me 600. 2,600. I need a little bit more. What am I actually going to need? I'm going to need. I need 1,000. Right? I'm going to need 50 points. Damn it. Might have to get a little more than that. So I might have to come down here. For the record, if I was just going for 100, though, I would go for just right there where I was at. Just for the record. Come on now. Be nice to me. Get on down here. I'd be at the bottom of that bull zone. Where's that at? Right here, I think. Oh, man. I'm going off my charts here. Now, looks like we're going to bounce here. So the bottom is at 50, actually. Oh, I'm at the bottom of the bull zone right there. Huh. All right. There's the pivot, right? Nope. Now I'm all confused here. All right, we went through the pivot at 207. Just blew right through that. Now I got to watch for a little bouncy bounce here. Come on, baby. All right, if I get this, that'll give me a total of 115 points. So in case you say no one can get 100 points, well, you know people can, right? All right, Raven, going against us. It was a good play. 236 on those puts now. Ha! Who would have thunk it? I really don't want to get it. I don't want to see this get really above 898. We may have to come up here and test the pivot, which would be a bummer because it'll probably take me out. But we're below 900 right now. It'd be great to stay below it. Right? But kind of bounced where I didn't think it would bounce. I mean, you know, I was hoping for a bounce down here at 68. But we had a new candle. What's the 15 minutes look like? Got 8 minutes left. Eight minutes left. We're right in the middle of that zone that I was worried about initially. We bounced right here. This guy. Damn you. All right, still a good trade. Not bad. Raven went against the stream and he's making money. Good job. Good job. Hey, I say whoever makes money, if you can make money, go against the stream, do it. Right? Done. Nicely done. Good call out too. Wasn't even after the fact. Nice play. All right, 907. I'll probably just take it short if we get back below that pivot. See if we can continue on. So I did. Did I get in? No, I did. Damn it. Where am I at? 1750. So I need 1250. $12.50. Oh, that would just about do it right there. Might get taken out. $12.50. So I'm going to need a little more than that. I don't want to chip myself. There we go. That could do it. All right, come on, 15 minutes. Let's go back down now. Nope, don't take me out. Don't take me out. Nope. Oh. Might have to go to 2 contracts. All right, we're bouncing around here. I'm going to put on a trend line on the 1 minute. Creating a little flag here. Right? Just like we had a little flag here. We had a little flag here. We got one here. Going back to the top of that zone, that box there. And kind of held it up. Let's see. What do I want? Let's do a 10 and a 50. Top of that box would have been perfect. 926. Okay, you got to watch for the 5 minute to get above 27. That could instigate a new long. Raven would have been correct. All right, income trader saying the weekly VWAP should hold us. I'm gonna take take one off here. Yep, I took one off. Let's see if we can continue on down. Let's go, baby. Oh, I'm pretty close. Might get taken out. I only got a couple points stop here. 3, matter of fact. I'm gonna go to 4. 5. Ooh. Ooh. Good placement. Good placement. All right, so that's for another 1,000. That'll put me at 27. I'm going to need a little more than that. Nope. And I'm going to need even more now. 1,500. I need. What do I need? 1,500. So I need 75 points. 75. I need 65 if I take 2 and take one off at 10. Come on, baby. Give it to me. Alright, took one off for a couple. 3 points. That's about how big my stop is. Oh, my stop is 5. What do I got left? I got 3 minutes left. So if this thing is going to fill out, it's going to have to fill out now. Well, soon. It could still play around a little bit here. Yep. Oh, don't get me. Whew. Barely made that one. Probably should be up at 19. There we go. Oh, went to break even automatically. I like it. Okay, I better hurry up and check this. So I'm going to need, where am I at? I'm at 2,000, so I need 1,000 from right here. Right? So 50 points. Pretty close. Let's go 51 just to be safe. I don't know if we can get there, but I got a plan for it. Right? You got 2 minutes left. Come on, baby. Just drop like a rock. Okay, so if we go to the 1 minute, you can see that's what I played. That break right there. Or 1 minute. Now we're going to come up and fill this gap. Now I need it to reverse, otherwise I'm going to be out and about again. Let's go to the 2 minute, see if it's got anything. Pretty much same thing. Really, 2 minutes saying take the short here. There you go. All right. Beware, European markets close in 15 minutes. Yeah, yeah, that's what the Europeans do. They say QQQ is currently 168 of today's developing value area, which value isn't migrating lower. Okay. Let's see, that's the pivot. See if we can stay below the pivot. That must be top control. Yep. Okay. At 949. Yeah, doesn't look like we're going down. Got another little trend like this. I could probably add one right there. Tell you what, if we get down there, I'll add one. Oh, there we go. Missed it. I'm just going to add one right there. $84. See if we can get down to sessions low. Come on, baby. Nope. Oh. That's all right. Is that it? Is that going to be it? That could be it. So what happens when you get down in this bull zone? You can get a bounce. Hence the name bull zone. What's that number? 889. That's where I'm going to sit. In case we decide to come down. Yep. Let's look at 15 minute. Your delta still at minus 3,800. Let's go to 5. ATR is down to 20 on the 1 minute. Still got all the dots red. Yep, everything's pointing to the down. So if the trend is your friend, until it isn't, there's the 2 minute getting a little nasty. So 5 minute, I like the 2 minute little box system. Something like that. right. 20,908 is the bull cross, now 15. Oh! Yes is 58.71. 58.70. Let's put what's that called? Oh, there we go. There we go. There's the 5-minute delta versus the 15. There's the push up. There you go, the long above 921. And on the 15, you can still play it if you want to get long above 40, whatever that is. 943. I'm not looking for longs right now. Not until something changes. Not until we have a change of character. So far, doesn't really give me much. Okay, so that box area I put in, kind of holding. I don't think it holds very long, but we're down 24. We were up, I think, 170 or something at one point. I don't know the exact number, but well, I could just do this, right? From where we were at, now it's just 29. Let's just call it 30. Up to there, 213 points. Wow, so 230. We've already dropped 213 points from the high up here. That's not a bad drop. I don't care where you are. So I like this 5-minute trend line. This guy had to have done well today. Yep, he's still long. What's your number? $1,875, $1,800. This guy's up. So what's that? Yep, 92 points. That's 18 something. Almost got to 150. Had some losses. So it's not all just profit. Let's see if we can cross that. Cross that. How many days do you have to pass Apex 50? Many days as you want. You can do it in one day if you want. All right, I think 1543 is long. You might get a pop too. I'd probably wait till we get above here at 49. Something like that. Why not? Where's that 1 minute 26 EMA at? Or is that what I had? 2 minute 26 EMA, sorry. Maybe we can get up to VWAP. Oh, gonna get taken out. Yep. Didn't see this 1 minute gap here. This guy right there. Come on now. I'll try him again. Yep. Yeah, they've had the 1 day to pass for quite a while now. You can take as long as you want, 100 days. I mean, you can as long as you keep paying the monthly. Oh, getting a little action there. I don't know what that was. Close the gap. Then some. Yeah. Down, 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 and then up. So let's go back to this and say, oh, see that? We passed right through that 1 minute. Bam. Let's watch the 2 minute. Coming back to top of sheep. Is that the top? No, that's the pivot. That pivot. Came back to the pivot. Retesting. Alright, I'm going to get rid of this box here. That big rectangle. Yeah. Looks like down's still our way. My dot's saying red. Red, red, red. Isn't there a song like that? Alright. 907.75. I'll take that short. Problem is we're going right into the... I always hate it when going right into the bull zone. And a lot of times you'll find that the bull zone, bear zone will be inside the CPR, the central pivot range. Well, if we come back down, I'll take it. If not, I'm going to miss the long for a little bit. I'll take the long back up there above 949 again. Knowing that I have the 1 minute weighted right there, 968. It's a little farther away on the 1 minute, 970. Oh. 11:30, shouldn't be trading now anyway. I told myself today I'm going to try to be disciplined. Had a good SPY trade. Got up a little bit on my PAs. Nothing big. Oh. Come on, let's drop that. Let's see. Where can I really get in? Oh, 15 minute right there. 901. Come on now. What do we got here? All right. $901. You're waiting for the long at 901 and I'm waiting for the short. Yeah, we're only down 33 points, so they can reverse this and go long just as easy as they can go short. right? Oh yeah, by far. You know, Europeans, supposedly there's more shorters in Europe that want to short our market than anything. So a lot of times they will drive the market down, and as soon as Europe closes, you get a pop. So can I see that happen? Absolutely. Let's go to a 5-minute. Yeah. You know, realistically, I could do this just as easy as I could. Usually what I do is I start down here, and then if we make an up move, I'll just go like this to say, well, if you come back down, there's a good chance I can get my 10 points and plus some. Because if you're coming back down once you went green, well, then probably we're going to take out the low. That's my thinking. Could be wrong thinking, could be flawed thinking, but that's my thinking. So if I had to go long, ideally it would be something like this. Right here. The long and the short of it. So the 5-minute, you know, we're just kind of, oh, okay, I got to manage this real quick. Because I might just get stopped out real quick. Oh, come on now. Be nice. Yep. The general Europe is looking for U.S. decline all the time. Yep. All right, got taken out. Which again, probably wasn't the best place to sit. This is my normal resting place. Came right down and hit the top of the bull zone and bounce. But ideally, something like that. All right, I'll let this one play out. All right, Ravine's at 901 long, right? Yep. Yeah, it's just a tough time to be trading, but if you can take that, there's 10 points right there. I mean, 10 points are 10 points. That's why I usually like, that's why I like two contracts. Take one off at 10, let the other one run. Go to break even. And if it takes you out, it takes you out. Big deal. And my other contract automatically drops down once if this gets taken out. There you go. Well, he didn't. He should. 10 points, so it's got to get to 80. It got to 80. I don't know why it didn't drop down. Maybe it takes a little bit more now. But it should be automatic. Come on. Maybe I have it set up for 20. When it gets to 20, then it'll drop to break even. Might not ever get to 20. Well, here, I'll just check. Oh, nope. No auto break even on that one. I don't know why. Oh, that's because I'm using 1050. 10 points and 50. Yep. Here, I'll just change that right now. Oh, no, it's set up for custom. I don't know why it didn't work. Cover 10. That's my play. Save 1050. All right. Now it'll do it every time. Just remember, everything's pointing red. I'm not saying you can't win. Just saying. I might get taken out here, but just saying. Even if I get taken out. There you go. Got taken out. $8.90. I'll take it again. See if it does it automatically this time. Come on, take out 879. Oh, come on. So close yet so far. There we go. And automatically just covered. All right, so it'll take up 50. That's 100 there. I mean, I'll need quite a bit in order to pass this guy. Probably down there. $83. So that's 530. So I need, that was 1,500. I'll need 1,000 more. So that would do it. I wouldn't go against the trend, my friend. They always say the trend's your friend until it's not. And right now we're going to hit the bottom of the bull zone, which we could get a bounce here. Now, I like to see, my personal favorite is when we come to the bottom of the bull zone and we bounce up and then we bounce down like that. Will that happen this time? No idea, but we got pretty darn close. There we go. Come on, baby. You can do it. You can do it. Remember to stay with the trend. You're just better off. Oh, come on, baby. Give me some hundreds. I'm going to give all those hundreds back. Watch this. Nah, I won't do that. Let's see. Where am I at? 14. I need a little bit more from you. Problem is, I got this big gap up here now. I got to watch out for it. Right like that. All right, so was that bottom control? Oh, yes, it was. We lost bottom control. I could add another one right there. Let's add one. Whew, didn't like that. It's a big ad. All right, where am I at? I got 1,000. I need quite a bit more. Come on. Market doesn't care how much you need, but I do. Okay, we're at the bottom of the bull zone. Could get a bounce, so I'll cover one here. Come on, drop down below. I'll cover there at 55. I'll try to get 50 if I can. Okay, we dropped below the bull zone. See if we can stay there now. I'll bring this guy down. Somewhere in there. Actually, just in case we retest, I'll bring him right about there. I don't want to give up that much anyway. So We'll see. We'll let her play out and see how she does. Came back and tested the bull zone. Look on the 1 minute here. There we go. Retesting it, retesting it. Retesting. Filled the 1 minute gap. Now I'm going to just keep tightening up my stop. Okie dokie. Okay. Come on, stay down. All right, I'm gonna put my stop right there and just say la vie. And I'll do this, and I'll add one right there if I can get there. All right. Where are you at? Here you are. All right, pretty close. There we go. Come on now. Yeah, you sucker fish. We got that 1 minute gap up there to fill. And make them up and try to hit it. Still in the bull zone. If we come back, I'll take it short. Bottom control there at 865, which is also at the bottom of the gap. Here we go. I'm going to do that. Come on, keep going up. 865. We got oh, there you go. I better get him out of the way. I was checking to see how high we got. 864. I got one that covered after 10. I'll add another one if we get down here. So one went for break even. This guy will move up. Yeah, actually I'll take him back. I want him to come down. All right, where are we at? 15 minute. What are you looking like? Oh, brand new 15. So we can play some games here. We got a lot of gappage to potentially fill. The 5 minute, well, you can go up here to 878 minus 5, so 875, 873. See if one of these goes or not. They're holding it. That bull zone's always a tough one. You can always lose a lot of money right here. Just trying to get in to take the trade. Okay, so from right here, I need 1800. I don't think I'm going to get it. All right. Oh. Well. Yep. Little sucker fish. Okay, 842. Last shot. Those SPY puts are now $3. Darn it. Should have probably kept a few. Bottom of the bull zone. Always a tough place to get short. Better off just waiting for a push down. That's what I'm going to do. Oops. Tried to get out. Let's see what happens. What's that? 2 minute? Yep. It's trying. $8.51 might be a better place, but I'll wait. Seven minutes left on the 15. So that means 2 minutes on the 5. Gonna need a dump here soon. Otherwise, might have to think about the long. 20,889 is back test target. 20,889. Okay. Yeah, I got 20,881. That's a 1 minute gap there. 5 minute gap is 879, and usually that's all I look at. All right, if we come down here, I'm going to take 4. We'll try to get this over with. What's that number I need? Basically 2,000. So let's just go with 2. So 2 divided by 5. So 2K, 100 points. That's 25 points. So if I get that, I need 25 Let's go with 25.50. I need to be right there with all four of them. If I get stopped down, I'm going to need a hell of a lot more than that. Might as well just take all five of them. Yep. Oh. Where's that at? Took me out. Get rid of that. Don't need that. Okay, I'm just going to put us in a box here. You don't even want to know what that guy's up. What is that guy up? That's 3,000 right there on one contract. But let's do this. And I'll do that. $42. Well, actually, what I want to do is this, not that. Oops. Same one. Go. Oh, son of a bitch. I was trying to get my stuff set up and missed it. Would have gotten it too. Gosh darn it. Ah, son of a gun. I was trying to take the 10 contracts short right at that bottom of the box at 39, and I would have gotten it. You only need 16 points or something like that. Ah, turd. Here, I'll be right back. Okay. All right. I forgot all about these other guys, so I need to start to play them a little bit. Okay, let's do... Actually, let's just do 10 and 20. Well, that's a bummer. Okay. And get rid of that guy. I can play that guy. There we go. Okay. Yep. Oh, you turd. You did all you needed to do. Filled your gap. You got a little bit of one up here at 837 to 840. I don't know if it's going to be worth it for them to go get it, but they may. Leave no gap behind. Yeah. Come on, get back down. Gosh damn it. Don't do this. Come on. Oh, you son of a bitch. All right. Yeah, I'm done. I've been playing for the last 30 minutes or so, and I haven't gotten anywhere. But I'm up where it counts. Where are we at? 15-minute candle. 5 minutes, see if we can fill that gap up there. Get close anyway. What's that number? 840, so 35. Probably already got there. So, yep. All right, you guys. Thanks for being here. And if you haven't subscribed, do me a favor. Maybe hit the thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. That'd be cool. If not, that's okay too. Thanks for being here. Do it again tomorrow. And we had some good plays today. Thanks for everybody's contribution. Income Trader, Hyper Viper, Ravin. Damn it. Hyper, did I probably already say him? Yep. Who else? Come on now. Michael, Jason, Coveper. Come on, man. We got to get you into this. So, yeah, man. Lewis, thank you. You're not typing. So, you know, during the day, you guys let me know where you're at. I like to know. Basically, I want to see if my commentary helps any, right? So, I mean, it would probably help if I stuck to maybe one mode of trading, because I like to venture in all of them. But I'll see if I can get a little more focused on one particular, right? I just know I don't usually like to go against the trend, so if we're all red, then... Oh, very nice. Thank you, man. You know, I like to let these play out, right? So down, 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 down. Everything's down. 2 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 15, and 60. So I like to go with the trade. These little flag here breaks. I mean, think about it. If you would have taken every one of them, you would have been probably pretty happy. Right? I mean, even there's more here I didn't even do. Look at there. Here's another one we're setting up for. So anyway, there was some good breaks today, and support down here to see central pivot range. You got your daily pivot at 907. Yep. All right. You guys have a good day, and I'll be at it again tomorrow. Ciao.
Riding the lightning of a million screams, chasing futures in the markets unseen. Price action whispers, Fibonacci screams, gonna make money, no tilted dreams. Clicking and scrolling every ticking line, charts unfolding like a poet's rhyme. NASDAQ futures, don't waste my time. Green candles rise and let's climb.